Now I just want to make eggs with tomatoes in the air fryer. It's perfect for your dinner. Here I'll use 2 tomatoes and cut the bottom so they stand up. Next, we'll make a cut on the top. Using a spoon, we'll remove all the tomato core. Now we'll add the 2 tomatoes to an air fryer. We'll also add an egg to each tomato. I'll season with salt, paprika, and black pepper. I'll stuff it with some ham and mozzarella. Add a sprinkle of oregano on top. I'll also use some of the tomato pulp here. A bit of parsley too. We'll put the tomato top back on with a toothpick to hold it. Close and cook at 160 degrees until the egg is done. I prefer the yolk very hard. Once done, just cut and enjoy. Look how amazing this stuffed tomato is. Perfect for dinner. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care. See you next time. Thanks.